What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the U-Sleep before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the U-Sleep works. What is U-Sleep? U-Sleep is a natural, nano-enhanced sleep formula designed to improve the quality of your sleep without the grogginess associated with traditional sleep aids. It combines 7 powerful plant-based ingredients, including red tart cherry extract, 5-HTP, L-theanine, melatonin, and others, all backed by cutting-edge neuroscience and clinical research. Unlike other sleep supplements, U-Sleep works in harmony with your body's natural rhythms, promoting faster sleep onset, deeper sleep, and a refreshed, energetic wake-up without relying on synthetic additives. U-Sleep not only helps you fall asleep faster but also supports long-term sleep quality. By restoring your body's natural sleep architecture, it aids in better recovery, reduces stress cravings, and enhances focus and mental clarity. Users consistently report waking up feeling rejuvenated and more positive, with improvements in mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. Over time, U-Sleep helps reset your body's sleep system, leading to sustained benefits like sharper mental clarity, stronger immunity, and more. How does U-Sleep work? Supports natural sleep rhythm. It aligns with your body's natural sleep cycle, promoting faster and deeper sleep without relying on synthetic chemicals. Reduces sleep latency. The formula helps you fall asleep quicker by relaxing the nervous system and signaling your body that it's time to rest. Enhances sleep quality. Ingredients like melatonin and L-theanine promote deep, uninterrupted sleep and improve overall sleep architecture. Promotes relaxation. Reduces anxiety and stress with plant-based ingredients like L-theanine and GABA, helping calm overactive thoughts. Balances sleep pressure. Works with your brain's natural sleep pressure system, helping you stay asleep longer and wake up feeling rested. Supports brain health. B vitamins regulate circadian rhythm, boosting brain health and supporting natural melatonin production. Long-term benefits. Consistent use helps restore your body's natural sleep patterns, leading to increased energy, improved focus, and a calmer, more youthful glow. What's inside U-Sleep? All-natural sleep formula, a nano-enhanced, plant-based sleep aid designed to help you fall asleep faster and wake up refreshed. 7 sleep-restoring ingredients, includes red tart cherry extract, 5-HTP, vitamin B6 and B12, L-theanine, melatonin, and GABA, all scientifically backed to promote deeper sleep. Better sleep quality. Enjoy longer, uninterrupted sleep and wake up feeling rejuvenated with a natural, non-groggy morning. Enhanced relaxation. Ingredients like L-theanine and GABA help calm your mind, reduce anxiety, and support relaxation before bed. Improved sleep architecture. Supports your brain's natural sleep pressure system, ensuring deeper, more restorative sleep. Bonus books. The Wind Down Routine. Bedtime stories to help you relax and ease into sleep. Younger and happier while you sleep. Anti-aging rituals to boost emotional well-being before bed. 60-day money-back guarantee. Full refund if you are not satisfied, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Long-term benefits. Over time, reset your body's sleep system, leading to improved energy, focus, and mood. Discounted multi-month packages. Save up to $360 with longer supply packages for continued sleep improvements.